and very good morning to all ladies and gentlemen. The topic that I have decided for the debate is that exams should not be banned. Yes, Mr. President, exams should not be banned. But let me explain first the exam. Exam is a way to test our knowledge without particular test. Exam is a part of learning to test the student, to show the student what they know. Exam is a show the strength and ability of the student. Exam plays a very crucial role in our country economy, where we were paying thousands of rupees to our board offices for conducting the test, where we were paying thousands of rupees for standardized tests, SAT, GRE, and TOEFL examination, Mr. President. But one thing that I have noticed in my surrounding, like my opinion, said in his speech, in his debate, there are people who are leaping and jumping like a monkey and while passing a meaningless standard like exam where or maybe not a learner. Exam has a magic power to change the happiest person and a nervous one, and we're making other bullshit stories against the exam. But Mr. President, I don't know in which world they are living, but according to my life, the exam helps a lot. They promote the confidence, where they hard work and improve their skills. They bring individual knowledge and provide a regular feedback for their students. Mr. President, think of it this way. Would you trust on a doctor to perform a heart surgery on you? You have no way to be sure if they are good enough. You are no hand that who were passing their college year like an angry bird at the back of classroom. Absolutely, you would not allow. Mr. President, without education, our college education would be nothing. If you have a lot of money, you could get a degree. But I am giving you surety, you would ever have know anything about that subject, about that field, about that degree. Mr. President, without education, our education system be like a boat with the full of passengers, but without driver. Nobody knows how to drive. Nobody knows where we should go. It will be just thrown at the center of ocean, at the deep of the school, but there has no destination. Without examination, our education has no destination.